1991 Honda CRX Si, and you are having a problem with seatbelt, flashing light, and warning sign. I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot that. Probably there is the problem in one of these actuators. In order to troubleshoot that, unplug the... It's a freaking lock switch, door lock switch. So this one works, this one doesn't. So something is wrong in the line. I was simulating this problem by unplugging this cannon plug. So you have to have working both of these actuators. So now everything is plugged correctly. It's still beeping on. Right. Pull ignition out. Reset the system. And now it's okay. Steady light. After a few seconds, warning light, warning signal is out. So, just let you know, be sure to have both electromagnets actuators working properly. In my case, this cover was broken. I have reattached the cover, and unfortunately got stuck this unit, and I was having that warning light and flashing seatbelt light on all the time. So it took me about whole afternoon to figure out what's going on. So as soon as I removed the door panel, took this plug off, this one was working, this one was stuck. So what I did, I have released this one, and as soon as I put back this plug on, restart the system, everything was working properly. Thank you.